How to fix iMessage activation error. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you to the steps on how you can fix activation error on iMessage. Well, to fix an iMessage activation error, there are certain things or basic troubleshooting that you can go through. The first is the restart. A simple restart can always solve temporary glitches within your device, so you want to try and restart. If it still doesn't fix, you want to check your internet connection. iMessage and FaceTime rely on a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or cellular, so you want to check you have stable internet connection. You can turn off and turn on the iMessage and FaceTime again. So you want to head into settings, then under settings you can head into messages here. So here you can head into apps, and from here you can enable the FaceTime. You can choose the FaceTime and messages option, and you can go ahead and enable it, disable it, and then enable it back again. You can also check Apple's system status page. If Apple servers are experiencing issues, this will cause activation problem. If the issue persists, then try and reset your network settings, which should fix the issue at all. So head into settings, then under settings head into general. Under general you want to head into transfer reset. So transfer or reset iPhone here, and then tap on reset, and you want to choose on reset network settings, not reset all settings, simply reset network settings, which should fix the issue. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.